Hey guys, Tony. Good afternoon. How you doing? So kind of good news on Bitcoin right now. For the first time in a couple of weeks, we've actually seen Bitcoin create a weaker bear candle on the reverse MACD. And you guys know that as soon as we close a bullish week, I am going to be going heavy into crypto. Usually every single case where we close a weekly bullish, where we close a bullish week on Bitcoin, that usually ends up, being an extremely good sign, an extremely early good sign. I think if we do end up closing this week a little bit of a weakened bear, more than likely I won't be purchasing heavy, but I will be relaying part of my position into crypto. I already bought back my Cosmos. I bought back my Matic. I think for the most part, if I do end up buying back, If I do end up buying back a lot of my crypto, it's mostly gonna be ADA for the most part. So I do think right now that if we do close the week, so let's say for example I sold 15-20K of Cardano, if I'll probably end up buying maybe anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 of Cardano back sometime after closing that weekend bearish week, or that week, sorry, it's a little bit confusing, but the weekend bear close. It gets confusing sometimes, but again, I'm gonna be deploying my full position once it actually closes a full bullish week. But as of right now, it does look like we're creating weaker bear candles on the reverse MACD on the weekly chart. So keep in mind, if we do close this week like this, if we do close on Sunday with this dark blue candle right here for the reverse MACD, I will be using maybe like 40% of my cash to buy into specific crypto. And I think next week, if we close another weekend bear, I'll probably end up deploying the other maybe 30-40%. And then once the actual bullish week closes, then I'll be deploying like the last 20-30% of my money. But it's looking good, just because we haven't really seen this in a while. We haven't seen Bitcoin actually show us any signs of a solid retracement to the upside in a couple of weeks, ever since we dropped from the peak of 52K. So I'm not saying right now is a good time to actually get in. I would not know until the end of this week. So around Sunday, around possibly 4 or 5 in the afternoon. Then is when we'll actually know, what's going to happen with Bitcoin and when a new day starts. So we'll see what happens on Sunday. But, if we do close weekend bear on Bitcoin for the week, I will be more than likely buying a nice chunk of crypto. And then, we'll see how it goes from there. But, good signs right now. Let's hope that it actually closes like this on Sunday. I'll see you guys later. Bye.